Friends, good morning, third standard student. Today, our third video is of chapter number 5, Chotu's house. Before I explain these questions, I give short information which we had done in our video number 1 and 2. In our video number 1, I explained about Chotu, who came first time in the Mumbai. With him, Monu also came first time from Ahmedabad. Both the boys came and they do not have space or a house to stay in. So all of a sudden, Chotu saw a pipe and thought that it is better place for him because he did not give any money to pay the rent of that pipe. So he decided to use the pipe as a house, and for that he divided the pipe into various rooms as a various room. Some of part he used to sleep, some part of pipe he used to stay in as a guest room or as a drawing room, and out surrounding area he used for drying clothes, preparing food, and to talk with his friends. So for this he invited his friend Monu, because Chotu knows that Monu also don't have any money to pay the rent. So he invited Monu to stay with him, and Chotu knows that Monu also be happy with him, and he spent his most of time with talking to Monu. For this I wrote so many questions in second video about Chotu, how he used his pipe and which part of house we use more and more. Now today here are some questions which I read one by one and give its answer also. Okay, so the first question is, do you keep your house clean? How? So here is the question, that how we keep our house clean, right? So the answer is, in our house our mother look after the cleanliness of house. So however, on Sunday and festival days, our sister and I help our mother in keeping the house clean. We sweep the walls and cleaning corners with a long broom to get rid of all spiders web and other pick of dirt and dust. मतलब कि ज़्यादातर फैमिली में क्लीन और क्लीनलीनेस का ध्यान रखने के लिए मदर ध्यान रखती है, लेकिन संडे और किसी स्पेशल मतलब सारे फेस्टिवल्स में घर की सफाई करने के लिए मैं और मेरी सिस्टर हेल्प करते हैं मदर को, और घर की सीलिंग जो है वो साफ़ करने के लिए हम लोग लंबी ब्रूम मतलब कि लंबा झाड़ू जो स्पाइडर वेब और दूसरा डर्ट जो है उसको क्लीन करने के लिए यूज़ होता है नॉर्मली. So this way we can keep our house clean, right? Now second one, who all help to keep your house clean? Here is the question, that who help us to clean our house clean. यहाँ पे पूछा गया है कि कौन आपको आपके घर के कामों में क्लीन करने के लिए मतलब घर क्लीन रखने के लिए आपको हेल्प करते हैं. सो द आंसर इज, व्हाट इज द आंसर? The answer is The cleaning of our house, in which my sister and I help, is taken care of by my mother. We also throw all our garbage directly into the trash can. कौन है? मैं और मेरी मम्मी हम लोग साफ़ करते हैं और हमारा ध्यान रखने के लिए और हमको हेल्प करने के लिए हमारी मदर भी हमको हेल्प करती है. मतलब इन शॉर्ट फैमिली जो कि आपके साथ रहती है, फैमिली मेम्बर्स, ऑल द फैमिली मेम्बर्स हेल्प यू टू क्लीन द हाउस क्लीन एंड दे विल टेक केयर ऑफ योर्स. राइट? अंडरस्टूड? समझ में आया आपको? ओके. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, where do you go to freshen up in the morning? सुबह आप फ्रेशन अप मतलब कि फ्रेश होने के लिए कहाँ पे जाते हैं? सो द आंसर इज, इन द मॉर्निंग वी गो इन द टॉयलेट टू फ्रेशन अप. अथवा या तो फिर आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, इन द मॉर्निंग वी विल गो फॉर फ्रेशन अप इन द लेविटरी. लेविटरी मतलब वॉशरूम. राइट? एंड टॉयलेट भी लिख सकते हो या लेवोटरी भी लिख सकते हो, लेविटरी भी लिख सकते हो. नाउ where do you throw the garbage of your house? See, some of people have a habit to throw garbage here and there. Is that good? No, because that garbage spread the disease and it will make you ill. So you must throw your garbage in the dustbin or trash can. Trash can means also garbage. So the answer is, the garbage of our house we will throw in the trash can or in the dustbin. Right? Now, is the area around your house clean? क्या आपके आसपास का एरिया क्लीन है? सो द आंसर इज यस. द एरिया ऑफ माई हाउस इज क्लीन. आपका घर का जो एरिया है वहाँ पे क्या साफ सफाई है, क्लीनलीनेस है? सो द आंसर इज यस. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? गुड. Now we will read the next question and I will give the answer. Do you use toilet in or around your house? Here is the meaning of toilet, means a freshen up space. In the villages, we can see in so many villages there is no toilet and they will freshen up in the open field. So that also spread disease and it will also make us ill. So we have to build a lavatory in our house or in our surround area so that we will stop the spreading of disease. So yes, we will use the toilet or lavatory to freshen up in the morning in the house or in our surround area. Right? Who cleans it? Normally in the house the family members, right? And in common the cleaner or sweeper clean it. So the answer is right? So the answer is of this question, the cleaner cleans it. It means toilet or lavatory. How do you help in keeping it clean? So here is the question. How do you help it keeping clean? Here the question is related to both place for the house and cleanliness of house and for cleanliness of lavatory. So I will explain the first how we will help it keeping clean. So related the cleanliness of house in the festivals, we will keep it clean by long broom and clean the ceilings. Ceilings means this place of our house. The घर की छत, जो छत है उसको हम क्लीन कैसे करेंगे? तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ लॉन्ग ब्रूम एंड रिमूव द वेब्स ऑफ स्पाइडर एंड सेक्स मतलब कि दूसरा डर्ट जो उसके साथ इंक्लूड है. इट विल बी क्लीन एंड we will decorate our house in every festival so that it will look like a nice place, and other related the house activities we will do to keep it clean. Now about toilet, we will clean it daily with the help of cleaning products. Like when we will clean the toilet, we will use some liquid which we will purchase from the market, and we will do the clean that toilet with that product. So this way we will keep both the places, our house and as well as lavatory, to keep being clean. We will have that by keeping it clean. So students, please write these questions answer in your notebook. I will send the PDF of this questions answer with this video. As every time you have to write this questions answer in your EVS fan notebook, and you have to prepare the question answers and MCQs of chapter number 1 to 5, which I will send after completing this question answer, that you have to learn as a part of your test, which will take on in July month, right? So please keep practice for reading and write all the things which sent by us for your knowledge and for your reading with good handwriting in your fair notebook with the help of your parents. Parents, please help your child to write or help your child to complete their work of EVS and ask them to write with clean handwriting. Be safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.